Dear students, today we will see implementation of KNN, stands for K nearest neighbor in our studio. To implement KNN, I have used Iris. Iris is an inbuilt data set available in our studio. Now I will show you the Iris data set. So this is how my Iris data sets looks. This is the Iris data set. Iris data set is a data set for flowers. You can see it has 5 columns and it has 150 rows. Now I will show you the structure of Iris data set. So the function which we use to view the structure of any data set is str. Now let me execute this. Here it is. So the structure of Iris data set is this. This means we have 150 rows, 5 columns. We have 150 rows, 5 columns. What are the 5 columns? Sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and species. Okay, and you can also see the data types. The data types is number, and over here it is text or characters. Now I will show you the 5th column, which is the species column of this data set. The command uses table iris species. Now let's run it and see. Okay, so this displays in tabular form the 5th column, which is species. So let us understand the result. This means we have 3 types of species available: setosa, versicolor, and virginica, and we have 50-50 entries of each type of species. Next we have command head iris. This command is used to show the first few values of the data set. Let's run it now. Have a look here. This command has displayed the first 6 rows of my data set. You can see row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now I will again show you the Iris data set. Now let us see the Iris data set. Okay, have a look at this. The Iris data set, as we said, it has 5 columns and 150 rows. Can you see those 5 columns? Sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and the species. But there is one problem in this data set, that this data set is arranged in an orderly manner. If you look at the 5th column, first we see all the values of